Nolan here with Encore Master Builder. Today we're going to go through your monthly and yearly maintenance. Follow some steps to go through to ensure that you have a properly functioning and maintained furnace throughout the year. Changing filter. Turn the power off to the furnace before working on it. Check the filter at least once a month. It's recommended to replace your filter every 4 months. This may change depending on construction around the house, pets, and usage in the home. A clean filter helps the furnace run efficiently and keeps the air clean for you to breathe. During the winter months, you have to ensure that you inspect and clear any snow or ice around the intake and exhaust. Doing this will help ensure that your furnace is running properly in those prolonged cold months of winter. Annual professional service. It's recommended to schedule a licensed HVAC technician once a year for a full inspection and tune-up. They'll check your gas connections, heat exchanger, ignition system, and ensure safe operation. A duct cleaning is also recommended every 2 years or after any major renovations in the home. By taking a few minutes each month and scheduling yearly maintenance, you'll extend the life of your furnace, save money on energy, and most importantly, keep your home operating as intended. Please refer to our website for a detailed checklist of this particular maintenance tutorial.